So it is a quick video about the connectors. Uh, they are very different connectors and of a very different age. They are vintage connectors for audio, and they are modern one with gold plated. They are not of any very costly brand, but they look all right. It's a plastic shield and gold plated brass one. As you can see that with the magnet, that they are non-magnetic. Yes, they are non-magnetic. Or maybe maybe this nut here is a little magnetic. I feel it's not sticking strongly, but it is attracting, so maybe, but other part is all right. At the same time, these vintage ones are also non-magnetic, but these nuts again have a little bit of magnet. I feel this we can change with the completely brass ones, but the point here is we are going to test these two with the multimeter. We'll test the resistance of these. Lower the resistance, better for the audio. So let's see the modern one. You can simply put it on two ends, and hopefully you can see it is 0.4 ohms. Now it came down to 0.3 ohms, which is respectable. And let's check these, which are the vintage. And they fall down immediately to 0.3. So they both perform, I think, equally good. So the costly new ones, the vintage older ones, I think their metal quality is much better than these modern brass ones. Old brass, I think it is better without coating, without nothing. At some point of time the coating will go away, yes, anyway, but these will stay as they are because they are already in this after 50 years of 60 years of use, they are still the same, working fine. They need to be cleaned a little bit and they are good to go. Thanks.